Okay, so you've decided it's time to get into the washer and dryer repair business. Now all you need to do is get set up and ready for your first customers. And I'm about to show you what tools you'll need to take with you on your service calls. So let's get right to it. Hey there, I'm Chip and welcome to my channel. Washing machine and dryer repair is the perfect place to start in the appliance repair business. People use appliances daily in their homes and businesses, and they will always need to be maintained and repaired. These machines are relatively easy to master. While doing washer and dryer repair, you'll hone your skills at running your own business and learning good customer relations. Today we'll focus on acquiring the necessary tools and equipment. Now, a repair professional must have the right tools for the job. These tools will be your trusted companions that will help you tackle any repair job that comes your way. So let's take a look at what you're going to need in your tool kit. First, you're going to need a good tool bag, sturdy enough to handle the weight of hardened steel tools and everyday wear and tear. I like a good sturdy canvas type bag with lots of side pockets and inner pockets. I usually put my most used tools in the pockets along the outside where I can easily grab them when I'm on a job. I also buy nut drivers and screwdrivers with a tool design stamped on the ends of the handles, so when I reach for a tool I can easily identify it. So in the washer dryer repair business, most of my commonly used tools are 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers and Phillips screwdrivers and slotted screwdrivers. And as you can see here, I arrange them along the outside of my tool bag where they're easy to reach. And the first thing I pull out when I start a job is my magnetic parts tray. If you've ever dropped a handful of 1/4 inch screws behind a customer's washing machine while you're working on it, you will appreciate this simple item. So once you pick a suitable bag, you'll need to fill it with a set of nut drivers, screwdrivers, a cordless drill and bits, pliers, wrenches, and your diagnostic tools. Now these will form the foundation of your tool kit. Links to the kinds of tools that I use in my tool bag can be found in the description below. These are affiliate links, but using them won't increase the cost to you, and they help me grow the channel. I tried to find the most reasonable prices while keeping the quality of the tools in mind. When you start out, it isn't necessary to buy the most expensive tools out there. I wouldn't go chasing down the Snap-on or the Mac tool trucks, but as you upgrade your kit, try to get good quality tools that have a lifetime warranty. When you snap off the tip of a Phillips head screwdriver on a particularly tight fastener, it's nice to know that you can bring it back to the store where you bought it and the tool will be quickly exchanged. I'm thinking of giving Tecton tools a try. I hear they're high quality like Snap-on and Mac, but they're more reasonably priced. So to take your toolkit to the next level, consider building specialized tools like a washing machine motor test box, dryer test cords, pump motor test cords, and homemade devices to seat the seals on Whirlpool transmissions and spin tubes. You're also going to need test cords for shift actuators, a test cord for dryer timer motors, test cords for both the GE and the Whirlpool style dryer motor, and you're going to need to build yourself a bucket to rebuild Whirlpool style transmissions. I'm going to make a video about how to make one of these in the future. But for now, you can look at one of my videos on rebuilding a Whirlpool style transmission and you can see me use this bucket and kind of scope out how I made it too. Now these devices can help you quickly and efficiently diagnose problems with motors and pumps, saving you time diagnosing and also saving you and your customer money when determining if a part should be replaced or repaired. And don't worry, we have videos to show you how to make these special tools. You can find them on my channel and I'll put links below to the videos where I show how to make them. And you can watch me use them in many of my repair videos. I'll link our playlist below with these so you can conveniently browse through the videos at your leisure. Now my washing machine motor tester has saved me on many occasions. Suppose, for example, you have a customer's machine that has stopped because of a lousy timer or other unknown cause, and it's still full of water. Now say on this particular model, the drain hose comes out of the cabinet halfway up the back, so that you can't lay the drain hose over into a bucket to drain it. But you can use your test box to put the motor into spin cycle and drain the washer normally. You can also test the washer's transmission neutral drain by using your test box. You can select agitate, then stop it, then choose spin, and at this point it should be in neutral and only be running the drain pump. If you stop it once more and then choose spin again, it should spin the tub. If the transmission didn't go into neutral when it was supposed to, then the neutral drain kit's defective and should be replaced. Other essential items to have in your tool bag are safety switch bypasses. We have a few videos showing you how to make these as well. Now these devices let you test machines you're repairing while observing them operate with their doors open, lids up, and cabinets set aside. And be sure that you monitor other people around the repair area when you use these to avoid them coming into contact with moving parts or hot parts. Also, never use these devices to override safety features when the machine is returned to service. Safety switches ensure that the hazards of operating these appliances are mitigated, and not returning them to service with working safety devices could make you liable for someone else's injury. So now it's important to keep your tool bag well stocked with the essentials, and as you're your business grows, you can invest in additional tools as needed. Soon you're going to need specialized tools to tackle more complex repairs. These are tools that I don't carry with me, but you can find them in my well-stocked shop toolbox. You're going to need a Whirlpool spanner wrench, a GE spanner wrench, an assortment of SAE and metric wrenches and sockets, and many other tools that you can acquire over time. To help you keep all these tools organized, I made a video on toolbox organization where you can see all the tools I keep in my shop roll-around box. I'll put a link above and in the description below so you can check it out. Remember to check out all the links in the description, and if you're in the industry and you have any useful tools or tips for viewers, please leave a comment below describing what you use. Your time to do so will be much appreciated by me and others too. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on getting started in the washer and dryer repair business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Chip out.